Geotechnical services in Noida Extension are crucial for any construction project in the area. Noida Extension is a rapidly growing region with numerous residential and commercial developments taking place. Geotechnical services provide valuable information about the soil properties, groundwater levels, and potential risks such as landslides or soil liquefaction. By conducting detailed site investigations and soil testing, geotechnical engineers can assess the site's suitability for construction and recommend appropriate foundation designs. One important aspect of geotechnical services in Noida Extension is SCON design. SCON stands for shallow foundation with combined footing on non-homogeneous soil. This type of foundation design is commonly used in areas where the soil conditions vary significantly across the site. In Noida Extension, the soil composition can vary from sandy to clayey or have layers of soft soil and hard rock. SCON design takes into account these variations and provides a stable foundation that can distribute the load effectively. To carry out SCON design in geotechnical services, engineers first conduct a detailed site investigation. This involves collecting soil samples from different depths and analyzing their properties in a laboratory. The data obtained from these tests helps in understanding the soil strength, compressibility, and settlement characteristics. Based on this information, engineers can determine the suitable foundation type and design parameters for the structure. In Noida Extension, where there is a significant variation in soil conditions, SCON design becomes even more critical. By conducting thorough site investigations and using appropriate design techniques, geotechnical engineers can provide reliable foundation designs that can withstand the varying soil conditions and minimize risks such as settlement or structural damage. The planning and execution of several projects depend heavily on detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension. These services entail the precise measurement and mapping of the land, which aids in the project's planning and design phases. Detail engineering survey services ensure that all relevant data is gathered and evaluated to produce precise and trustworthy results by using cutting-edge technology and equipment. The SCON design is a crucial component of detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension. SCON design is the process of creating intricate plans and drawings that display the organization and structure of a project. The placement of structures, roads, utilities, and other elements falls under this category. The SCON design is crucial since it aids in project visualization and makes sure that all required components are appropriately incorporated. Measurements for the SCON design are accurate and precise thanks to the detail engineering survey services in Noida Extension. Utilizing cutting-edge surveying tools like DGPS, total stations, and laser scanners, this is accomplished. Surveyors can gather data with great accuracy and efficiency thanks to these equipment. After being processed,